Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance are. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. I realize I'm stating the obvious here, but a very, very impressive bounce on the day. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, now it's bounced up to that region of the chart. So that brings about the very valid question of, is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this price movement? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And I just deleted that red line out of there. Yeah, that pertains, but it's not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the big level going forward is actually this green line here at 405, which I talked about yesterday. But why is this level so important going forward? And, how is it going to help us answer that question of, is this, the start of something bigger? Well, if it is the start of something bigger, well, then the price needs to keep on getting bigger, right? Or in other words, the price needs to make progress forward. So with that in mind, think about 405. If the price were to go down to 405, and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but, like I was saying, prices that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, however, in this situation, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 405. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as I've talked about in past videos, it's once again reared its ugly head, and that is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And I know I've pointed this out, but I'm going to again. You can see quite the track record of it rejecting the price, and then once more right there. So I'm not saying that the purple line can't be broken, just saying that that's very clearly the thorn in the side of the chart right now. And if there is going to be any sort of continuation, that's definitely the level that'll need to be broken. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very, very nice bounce today. Now the question going forward is just simply, can the price show signs of progress and build upon the momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.